Hello guys, so I have a Happy Meal here and I'm excited to open it. What's this? What is this? Wait. Wait. McDonald's Day. McDonald's Day. Okay. What do we do? Stuff here. What is this all about? Okay. See this. What's this? Huh? Huh? Okay. What's this? Hmm? This correct? What is even this? The what? Wait. Huh? Here. Then your stickers. Okay. So what should I do? Yep. Wait. What can I do here? Just press stickers. Maybe if I should break it.